Lotus Temple. The Lotus Temple, located in New Delhi, India, is a Baha'i house of worship renowned for its distinctive lotus-inspired architecture. Completed in 1986, it has become a prominent symbol of the Baha'i faith and a major tourist attraction, welcoming millions of visitors annually. Key specifications: architectural design. Shape. The temple's design emulates a blooming lotus flower, a symbol of purity and peace in Indian culture. Structure comprises 27 freestanding marble-clad petals arranged in clusters of 3 to form 9 sides. Dimensions. The central hall has a diameter of 70 meters and a height of 34.27 meters, accommodating up to 2,500 people. Construction materials. Primary materials: white marble from Penteli Mountain in Greece, chosen for its aesthetic appeal and durability. Structural framework: reinforced concrete provides necessary support for the complex geometry of the petals. Surrounding landscape: set within 26 acres of landscape gardens. Surrounded by 9 pools which hold significant architectural, symbolic, and functional value. Architectural harmony enhances the lotus design, creating a floating appearance and serene ambience. Symbolic significance: aligned with temple's 9 entrances, signifying unity among diverse spiritual paths. Passive cooling system contributes to the temple's natural cooling system as wind passes over the water before reaching the temple. Construction details. Contractor. The main construction contract was awarded to ECC Construction Group of Larsen & Toubro Limited. Consultants. The structural design was undertaken by the British firm Flint & Neil, providing expertise in realizing the complex form. Cost: approximately $10 million at that time. Engineering challenges and innovations. Complex geometry. Designing and constructing the lotus-inspired petals required advanced engineering techniques to achieve both aesthetic beauty and structural integrity. Material selection. The choice of white marble not only provided visual appeal but also posed challenges in sourcing and transportation from Greece to India. Structural support. Implementing a reinforced concrete framework capable of supporting the heavy marble cladding and the unique petal configuration necessitated precise engineering calculations. Acoustic design. Ensuring optimal acoustics within the central hall, given its large volume and unique shape, required careful planning to facilitate clear sound propagation during services. Legacy and impact. Cultural significance. The Lotus Temple has become an iconic symbol of unity and peace, reflecting the Baha'i faith's principles of inclusivity and openness to all religions. Tourist attraction. Recognized as one of the most visited buildings globally, it attracts millions of visitors annually, contributing to New Delhi's cultural tourism. Architectural influence. The temple's innovative design has inspired architects worldwide, showcasing the harmonious blend of traditional symbolism and modern engineering. Awards and recognition. The Lotus Temple has received numerous architectural awards and has been featured in various publications for its design excellence. The Lotus Temple stands as a testament to the fusion of art, architecture, and engineering, embodying the universal values of the Baha'i faith and leaving a lasting impact on both visitors and field of structural design.